Storytelling, terrific insights. Have done my research. More friendly, more respectful, more funnier without lawful restrictions. Policy safe. Funny reasons someone might get avoided. It's usually not about money or looks. Have you ever wondered why people sometimes keep their distance? Here's the funny part. It usually not because someone has no money or doesn't look like a movie star. 1. Never smiles. Reason, look unapproachable. A simple smile can make people feel welcome. 2. Always interrupts. Reason, others don't feel heard. Listening is just as important as talking. 3. Constant complaining. Reason, negative energy can be draining. Everyone has bad days, but balance helps. 4. Doesn't respect at personal space. Reason, people feel uncomfortable. Giving others room shows respect. 5. Always late. Reason, it can seem inconsiderate. Being on time builds trust. 6. Never say please or thank you. Reason, good manners matter. Small words can make a big difference. 7. Only talks about themselves. Reason, conversations become one-sided. Ask others about their stories too. 8. Break promises. Reason, trust becomes harder to build. Keeping your word is valuable. 9. Constant phone use. Reason, people may feel ignored. Being present strengthens relationships. 10. Always gossiping. Reason, others may worry they'll be next. Kind words builds stronger friendship. 11. Never admit mistakes. Reason, it can seem stubborn. Saying I was wrong shows maturity. 12. Doesn't respect boundaries. Reason, everyone needs personal limits. Respect creates comfort. 13. Poor hygiene. Reason, it can make social situation awkward. Basic self-care helps everyone feel comfortable. 14. Always borrowing, never returning. Reason, trust fades over time. Returning what you borrow shows responsibility. 15. Unkind attitude. Kindness is more memorable than appearance. People often remember how you made them feel. So, if you are worried people avoid you because you don't have lots of money or because you don't look like a celebrity, relax. Most people care much more about kindness, respect, honesty, and a good sense of humor. Be yourself, keep improving, treat others well, and remember, a genuine smile is free and it never goes out of style. Thanks for watching. If you made this smile, don't forget to like, share, subscribe it with someone who could use a laugh.